a beast of burden, saddled with the responsibility of easing the burdens of others. Yet his burdens are left for him to bear. This is the true story of a teacher. You are tough. So much demands have been placed on this profession. A teacher has been sentenced to bear the burdens of work-in-progress learners, the burdens of the emotional, psychological, spiritual, and academic needs of all learners, the burdens of busy parents, a failing society and educational system, while his personal and family burdens are left unattended to. You are energetic. You literally sacrifice your life, rest, leisure time, energy, and resources just to make sure that the lives of others get better. Indeed, what manner of love is this? You are awesome. Hidden in every smile and laughter is a huge mountain of pain and want, which always go unnoticed because teaching has always been about preparing young minds for the future. This must be achieved at all costs. You are cheerful. Your reward for hard work has always been more work. As a matter of fact, like a beast of burden, the only reason why you are fed is to do more work. You are hard working. So much attention has been placed by the society on your work output. Most times little or no motivation is given to boost your work input. Your workload is copious, but your take-home is always meager and never enough to cater for your needs. Yet, you don't go on industrial action. You are enthusiastic. Sometimes you break down, but you've always refused to remain down because the destiny of nations rests on your shoulders. You are reliable. This path you have chosen to tread is a difficult one, filled with sacrifices and discomfort. It will cost you everything you've got for great minds to be bettered through you. So don't give up. Keep walking. Keep giving your best and never shift your gaze from the desired outcome of your learners, because that is the fuel that will keep you moving. There's greatness ahead of you. You have been wired to do this. Do not relent. Always remember that you are a team leader, an encourager, an advisor, a coach, a helping hand, an enricher, and a role model. Indeed, you are the unsung hero whose role in the society cannot be underestimated. I celebrate you. God bless you.